Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today, we're making a strawberry spoon cake. It is summertime and strawberries are aplenty. So this is a great way to use some strawberries with just a little bit of cake batter. It goes in the oven, it comes out, you get to eat this warm. You can eat this with vanilla ice cream or whatever your heart so desires. So let's get to it, but first, I was inspired by this song. Do you have some strawberries? Not blueberries or cherries. Make them into a spoon cake, then go take a deserved break. Yeah, because it's really not in the oven for very long, and then you get to eat this fantastic strawberry spoon cake. I can't wait, and I'm not even sure what this thing is going to taste like. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The second thing you want to do is get your 8-inch dish, or it could be a square pan, ready to go, and grease it well with butter. Start by adding your strawberries, and we're going to mash them to get all the juices out. If you have frozen strawberries, just thaw them first. And I thought this potato masher might work well, but we'll see how this goes. Add in some of your brown sugar. Stir until combined. Melted butter, rest of your brown sugar, milk, salt. Whisk together. Flour, baking powder, stir to combine. Add the batter to your baking dish. Spread evenly in your pan. Spoon the strawberry mixture on top of the batter. Into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, time for the toothpick test. I will say that it was a little wobbly at like 25 minutes. I let it stay in for additional 5 to 10 to see if it would harden up in the middle in a good way. All right, it's only slightly wobbly here. Let's take a look at the toothpick. That's coming out pretty clean. Let's take it out. Okay. Because this is spoon cake, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we get to dig in immediately. With or without ice cream, let's dig into this spoon cake. Oh my, wow. Look at this delicious strawberry spoon cake. It smells like delicious cake and strawberry jam put together. But what will it taste like? Let's find out. I'm gonna take a little bit, give it a taste. This is like a delicious, warm cake that just feels good and tastes good at the same time. It sort of is like a new comfort food. It's got all of those fresh strawberries in there and the cake also sort of bringing it all together. This is just pure deliciousness. Ice cream or no ice cream or whatever you decide to do with yours, you will love this. Love it. If I can make a strawberry spoon cake for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.